Pagbati sa iyo, NP Fulbert, sa matagumpay at maayos mong panunungkulan sa ating organisasyon. Noon pa man, alam kong malapit sa puso mo ang JCs, kaya pinagbuti mo ang lahat ng iyong gampanin.
Fulbert and I have gone a long way in the organization. He used to be my driver way back 1999 and 2000 when I frequent Iloilo for the Voice of Philippine Democracy competition. And at that time, he carries my luggage, he takes care of my hotel accommodation, he makes sure that I get picked up from the airport, brought back to the airport, get to ride my plane, and go back to my destination. That was a long time ago. Now, Fulbert is the head of our national organization. He's our national president. I am very proud of this guy because when I was national president, he was my national treasurer. And I was able to tell the members that the funds of the organization were in good hands because they just look at him, look at his eyes, and they will understand what I'm trying to say. At this point, I know the organization is in good hands because as we are working on our recognition not only here in the country but in the international community, Fulbert have done a lot in making sure that the gains of the past will never put in vain. I am very thankful for his time, but most of all, I'm very thankful to the loving wife, Christy, who allowed him to serve the organization in his best capacity because without Christy at his back, there will never be any Fulbert Wu being national president. So I suppose we should also give our thanks to the loving wife. Pwede na kayo mag-anak. It's about time that you realize that getting married is not just about getting married and being tied up together, but you also have to produce siblings, and that would be the best thing that will happen to both of you. Fulbert, thank you very much for your time, effort, dedication, compassion, commitment. You contributed to the organization. Definitely, it will go a long way into the annals of our records that in this part of our history, you're able to make things better. And this will be another milestone in the history of the organization. I wish you well. I wish you the best of luck. I know you still have a lot of years in the organization. Make the most out of it. And I know you will not only be national president, you will go a long, long way in this organization of ours. As active citizens, we do not end things at the end of our term, but we will continue being such individuals because we know we should be contributing towards the attainment of our goals and aspirations why we joined this organization. Congratulations for a year and good luck for the future.
NP Fulbert is a man of few words. He's a no-nonsense guy and he's a man of action. I like the way he leads the organization. He wants results and has always been an inspiration to the entire organization. I hope that you will continue even after your term to lead and inspire others.
Flexible siya. He, as much as possible, try to understand and, give others a chance to be heard. And he is very much open to the ideas of the others.
Hindi lang siya presidente, barkada at kaibigan din siya.
He's such a committed person. No matter how daunting the task, without neglecting any of his responsibilities to his family.
Nagpapasalamat na lang po ako kay MP Fulbert at sana ganun din sa ibang mga kasamahan po namin sa taas na natulungan po niya. Maraming salamat po, MP.
Maganda sana kung tuloy-tuloy pa rin niya yung pagiging active niya sa GCs para at least yung Iloilo, yung mga darating pang gusto mag-NP sa chapter niya, may kayat pa rin niya.
Respect him very much. Mabait siya, at saka he does not make himself special to us. He is just parang kami, ordinary friends na kami dito na although he is the boss.
And meeting you for the first time in the mid-90s. At that time, I think you were several pounds lighter. And in a very special way, you've moved from that frame to a bigger frame. So, ibig sabihin nun, nagbago ka na nga talaga, and you've taken on more responsibilities. You've achieved a lot of things for yourself and at the same time for your business, your family, and the organization, JCI, that you love so much. Continue the positive change that you're doing, because what you're doing is very important, and in a very special way, you change people's lives the same way you did mine. So congratulations on a good year, and Godspeed ahead.
NP Fulbert, my heartfelt congratulations to you. I know you've been through a lot this year, both personal and in your professional life for this year. Marami pa tayong taon na pagsasamahan pa, whether JCs or sa ating pribadong mamumuhay.
NP Fulbert, congratulations. You did a great job. I'm very happy to serve you as my national president. Rest assured, I would treasure it the rest of my life for the opportunity that you've given to me. Congratulations, 1 at 61.
Hindi niya pinagmalaking isa siyang presidente. Na doon namin naramdaman yung tunay siyang kaibigan, kaya nagpursige ako na pagbutihin ko pa ang trabaho ko. Boss, saludo ako sa'yo.